Hey, puppies. These are Ingrid's babies. Hello, what you doing over there? You sneaking in the shade? Huh? You in the shade? Come on, it's nice in the sunshine. Hey, baby. You're so pretty. Okay. Let's go. Hey, babies. Hey, be nice to the brothers and the sisters. Be nice. Oh, let's scope out the plant. Yeah, hey, babies. Come here, puppies. Yay! Oh, good job. Come here, puppies. Come here, babies. Come on. Come. Come on. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Good job. You guys are so cute. They had so fun out here, Mommy.